Nearly 2 years ago, the Government of India embarked on what was then called as one of the most momentous moments in its tax reform history since independent India was formed, which was the rollout of the goods and services tax. It was to create a single market for India, and that reform has now started taking shape. Now we are on the eve of the announcement of the Direct Access Code, which was another initiative that was started by the government a few years ago to come up with a tax code, a direct tax code, which will try and lift our Tax Act of 1961 to incorporate international features, bring in greater compliance, and be able to have simplification. This is a very important document that will be put out to the government to consider. Will it come up for public debate? We hope so, but when, we don't know. But I think there should be a fair bit of interest to see as to how this document will enable us to move to a more progressive tax regime in the years ahead. I think one of the things that we are seeing is the buildup of a far greater tax compliant society. And therefore, one of the expectations I would have from the Direct Access Code is what does it do on simplification? What does it do in trying to reduce the cost of compliance? And thirdly, how do we make sure that people are paying taxes in the most efficient form without disruption to business? I think there are a lot of expectations that we have from the Direct Access Code, and I do hope that the extra time taken by the committee to come up with these recommendations will be well worth it.